today's video we are checking out the CVT edition. Very small, unique looking Vibram 5 fingers. Now what separates this from other 5 fingers is primarily a few things. First of all, the back side, the bottom of it, the insole, looks exactly like this. And it is really interesting looking shape altogether. I mean, take a look at this. Have you ever seen anything like it? Now, I do like this texture. It makes it super grippy when you walk on it. Next thing is at the top over here, which the material is very, very soft. It's also very packable as well. You can easily just go ahead and pack this right into the smallest of shapes. So if you are going to be flying, driving, going to a place that you need to conserve as much space as possible, and this is primarily for people who are flying and they need every single bit of space to put into your suitcase. So this is much smaller than anything else out there for you to go ahead and put inside the suitcase itself when you're flying, and takes a lot of space out of the way just in case you need to put some actual shoes over there as well, because shoes take so much space altogether. Now this 5 finger is super slim too. Look at the slimness of this, like unique looking as well. Like you can pack it just about anywhere. So it definitely is the unique looking one, and it's also about going to a place with style. So pretty much you can just put those right in the back of your jeans pocket, and you can take them out and go ahead and slip this on, and yeah, and you're right away in the relax mode, especially if you're working in an office environment. So this could be the other shoes that you're wearing when you don't need your dress shoes on. And take a look at how interesting looking they are up close as well. So the whole entire shoe is very well constructed. You can see over here the insoles are right inside here. You can't actually take this out even if you want to, but no, do you actually need to. On the back end of this, you can see how the tracks of it is really cool looking. It's like a hexagon modules all the way at the bottom end of this. Well, there is a Vibram imprint over here, so you know exactly what company you're getting it from, and it goes throughout the entire shoe. So here it is, and here it is. In case you want to get a green marker and go ahead and blend this right into the shoe itself, go ahead and do so. Now, next thing over here is this. It gives you some protection. Unlike other Vibram 5 fingers, this doesn't give you too much of protection from getting hurt, but it's better than nothing. What I do find very interesting about those shoes is how soft weight they are, how slim they are, and how interesting they are when it comes to this specific style. So it's summertime in New York here, and we are sporting the alligator shoes. Well, there is different versions of it, and I call the green ones the alligators. They're very comfortable, and they're true to size, which is a good thing. Another thing about them is that they feel very nice indeed. Plus, the tractions on the back are just amazing. Take a look at this. This is like tire tracks all the way on the bottoms over here. Now, they are much more different than normal 5 fingers. They are more casual looking for more people who want to relax at home or go on a walk, or just because you want to have different ones in your collection, such as myself. Those are going to be the ones that I take probably to the office, to go outside, but not for a run. This is definitely not something you would take. This is not hardcore edition. Although some people could make an argument that you can go with anything hardcore. To tell you the truth, if you look at the bottoms of this is made for traction. It's really made for walking, and it's also made for hiking as well. It got very good grips to this, really good grips. and it also has the looks to it as well. It is really one of the most eco-friendly 5 fingers you can get your hands on too. Not only they feel good, it's also made with very nice canvas-like material at the top and very nice material at the bottom as well. Definitely recommend it for you to get in case this is the 5 finger style that looks great for you. Sorry about the style, the fit is great, they feel good, they look great as well. You have full freedom of movements over here, as you can see here. It is great for jumping too. It does have some traction, and it does have a bit of protection for your feet, and also as you step on everything you can kind of feel everything you step on, which is exactly what 5 fingers is all about. Thank you so much for getting all the way to the end of this video, and you're probably wondering what is the rating for those shoes. Well, I give those about an 8 out of 10, and the reason why, because those shoes just are awesome in every sense of the way. First of all, they are super extremely lightweight, and especially if you're looking for casual looking shoes that look very casual, they are soft material, and at the same exact time they are even machine washable. So you can just throw this in the washing machine and that's it. So if you are just like me who have a bunch of vibrant 5 fingers, this is an extra pair that you can just put on and relax with it. So if you're not looking to go ahead and hike in the woods and have a run, those are better for you for just walking, casual walking, and of course looking good as well. So 8 out of 10 I would say for those shoes, and if you are thinking about this, don't think, just get them. They're awesome.